What type of client should you have as a VA Part 3? Hi there, this is Connie Zabala, your VA trainer, and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. So today is the last or the third part of this 3-part video series sharing about what type of client should you have as a VA. Today I suggest that you should have a client that supports you in what you do. So for example, if you know a certain tool that will make those tasks much easier for you, your client should let you do what you need to do in order for you to accomplish a certain project, especially if that will help his or her business more. So another example is you want to learn a certain skill or a certain tool, but it will take some of your time to learn that, and your client must support you in that. For example, you have to take an online course to do something, to accomplish something in order to be an expert of something, and client wants that from you. He or she can pay for the course or you can pay for the course, but the important thing is the client will understand that you need time to learn about it. So the client should not expect that you know everything. You should be always willing to learn so that you can improve your skills, especially if the purpose is to help your clients. Okay, so your client must be able to support you in what you do, especially when it comes to improving your skills as a VA or improving your VA business. I hope you watched the last 2 video series as well, and I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you want to learn more about virtual assistants, I invite you to sign up for the VA Masterclass. Just go to vamasterclass.conniezabala.com and you'll get access to the course via email. Okay? So if you like this video, please feel free to like, comment, or share.